What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back into the channel. If you are one of my returning subscribers or viewers, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome in. Y'all, I am here to talk about life over 60. Okay, life over 60. I have been going through a tremendous amount of mental considerations when it comes to what I am currently doing with my own life right now. And some things are chosen, some things are laid in my lap, some things are just life. But I have gone around in circles over the last year and a half, close to, as to what am I doing with my freaking life. I spent so much time, probably from 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, here on YouTube, consistently working, cranking out content, truly making a living. And y'all, when that all went away, when my channel was deleted, removed from YouTube, I can't say I fell into a depression because I don't have the spirit of depression. I totally said, what the fuck? That's what I said. I was like, what now? What do I do? What game plan do I have? And my passion that I had for, doing my DIY treatments, I've lost it. I completely said, forget this, forget this, because all of my work was in vain. So today, as I got up to go to a job interview and get back into corporate America, I had to ask myself, what the fuck am I doing? I'm in my 60s now. I'm not getting back out there. I'm not getting back out there. I'm going to make my living and make my life right here doing what I do. Not that I am at a point where it's all downhill, but I want more. I don't care. I have always been a person where I'm not just going to accept kibbles and bits. Right now it's kibbles and bits, and I know I have it in me to do so much more. And actually I'm doing more than y'all probably even know that I'm up to, but I know I can do more. I have a benchmark for this year. I have a benchmark and I'm trying to reach my goal, but for some reason there's always something. There's always something boom, getting in the way of my productivity. So I am focused right now to get on my Zoom. Girl, I cannot manage the way I'm doing and do all the things I'm talking about. The shopping I love to do. I love to just do what I wanted to do without the thought process. Now I have to think about every single penny that I spend. And I'm like, this crazy. This ain't me. This is not me. So honey, whereas I can get back into corporate America, working 9 to 5, I can get suited and booted here at the house, okay, and get on my Zoom. Pop the color, get ready, do the hair, put on a little makeup, get myself in what I call a productivity mode. That's where I'm at right now. If you are in a stagnant place, it's a mind thing. Your mind is just, it's in one spot, just turning, but you're not doing anything with it. It's time to get up and get on your Zoom. And that's where I am at right now. I am saying, girl, to hell with all of that, what used to, shoulda, coulda, woulda, and all of that. Get busy. And I repeat this to myself a lot because I do get in a place where I get a little bit stuck and feeling that I'm not doing what I need to do. But it's all about what you want to do. You're going to make time for the things you want to have in your life. If you want a relationship and you're the busiest person in the world, got something going on 24 hours a day, if you want that relationship, you're going to make it work. You're going to make time for it. You have to make time for the things that you want and the things that you love. And even when it comes to physically being where I want it to be, this time. Last year, this time, I was getting on my grind, getting the body, just working, trying to stay, active, Nowadays, girl, oh my gosh, don't you throw no sweat at me. I am not telling no lies. I have not been on my game when it came to my physical get up and go. I have every piece of equipment that I need in order to get that done. I know for sure at this age, I need to be on my game of strength training. I need to be at least breaking a sweat, honey, sometime or another, and working out. And I am not doing that. And in order for me to be where I want to be by summertime, it's time for me to get on that. But when it comes to making money, I have been researching today. And I'm like, I don't want a nickel and dime job. I really want something that's viable. And me being my own boss for so many years, that's the only way I see it. I am a boss. I am the one to make this money like I've been making it. So now it's time for me to get started. But I came on here just to vent a little bit because as I got dressed to do what I was going to do today, I'm like, oh, hell no. I got things I need to do. I love spending time with my family. I don't want 10 hours of my day cut into by somebody else's bull and me making them wealthy while I'm sitting there with what minute little pieces of kibbles and bits they want to give me. I'm not about that life. I'm not about that life. I'm beyond that life now. I'm ready to get my gears shifting again into the direction that I was set on. I was so motivated. Well, my gosh, I was so motivated when it came to my main channel that I had, that that was it. I mean, that was my baby. But sometimes the lessons are learned, and I learned my lesson when it comes to working social media. You have to know the ins and outs, and there are certain things that you have to really, really watch for. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. You take nothing at face value. You always do your research. And now these days, I'm definitely hitting it hard. I'm hitting it hard. But, I guess because I feel that I'm working so much now and I'm really not seeing the dollar-wise results. I'm not getting the views. It's just a whole different spectrum. Even though, y'all, to tell you the truth, the bulk of my money does not even come from YouTube any longer. I'm on the affiliate marketing side, which I've been doing that since I've been on YouTube. However, once that large channel went away, a lot of that money did go away as well, but now I'm bringing it around the back way. So I do a lot more on the marketing side than I did on, coming here presenting videos of certain things. So I'm just telling you right now that, girl, I was about to go punch in on somebody's job, and honey, I can't see myself doing that. Not now. I've come too far in this game to say, I throw in the towel. I'm not throwing in the towel. I'm going to get busy. I'm going to get on my Zoom. And I want y'all to come along with me as well, because y'all going to be part of it, because you're going to be seeing me. You're going to be seeing me. You're going to be seeing what I'm up to. You're going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing. And, again, some of y'all may not even notice a difference, but I feel the difference in what I'm in my heart. I feel the difference down in my soul. I feel the difference on even the way I'm speaking, because at first I had lost my energy. I had lost my spark. I had lost it. And I'm like, what? This is not me. Angel, wake up. And now I feel so different. I mean, I'm looking at this camera different. It looks like my friend again. I was looking at this camera like, woo. Yeah, who are you? Why are you in front of me? Now it's my friend. It's my friend again. I can talk to this camera and roll out the things that I need to roll out. I remember when I first got on YouTube, I was so inspired. I was so like, this is it. And everybody used to tell me, you talk so fast. Stop talking so fast. And then I slowed it down. Okay. I slowed it down. But right now I feel that fire. I feel the excitement. So I'm going to have to pull back my diction a little bit to slow it down, especially if I'm teaching something. So I feel the fire, y'all. I do. And for the most part, again, for those that know of me and have been in, my little circle for a minute. Y'all know. And some of my folks have just, they lost me when the channel went away, but now I'm here. I'm right here. I've never really gone away because I have so many channels. I have so many things that I'm doing, but it's like, y'all need to come on through and you need to tell somebody to come over here and come hang out with your girl, because listen, I don't know what you're going to be seeing on this camera, but you're going to be seeing me. That's what I'm talking about. You're going to be seeing me. Yeah, we're going to be in there. But I'm super excited. Like I said, I was kind of like, that'll do. But now, no, that's not going to do. I need more and I want to give more. And that's more than likely main thing what it is. I'm a giver. I don't stop at just, that'll do. I got to go deep. Otherwise, I'm not going to be happy. So at this point, I'm putting my smile back on. I'm putting my butt back in the game. I am here. I am ready to deliver whatever God sees fit for me to deliver on this camera. I am here. And I'll tell y'all so much. I'm going to tell you how uninspired I had become. I thought to myself, I'm not going to be into YouTube like that anymore. I had invested so much. I had invested so much of my time. I had invested money in equipment. Y'all know all of that equipment I had. My camera, 2 cameras, okay, 2 cameras, stands, lights, all of that. I sold all that because I said, you know what? I can't do this no more. I don't need this stuff. It's just sitting here catching dust. Y'all, I sold it all. Right now, I'm recording back on one of my old cameras, old phones. And I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that. In fact, I'm looking at cameras now. I'm ready to get back on my grind and deliver the content my folks want to see. I got so many things on my agenda, and that's my other thing right now, because my inspiration, my passion was my DIYs, my treatments. I love getting up, whipping up things and checking out things and see how this makes my skin feel. See if this does that. See if this helps me to shed some pounds. I love that. That was ripped from me. And I can't say it was ripped from me, but when my channel went away, it felt like it was pulled out of me. I just didn't have it in me to do it any longer. I mean, it started feeling like work. Before, I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed my husband, like, what would he call me, doctor or something? And I'm like, I just love what I do, and now that feels like work. It feels like work for me to whip and mix up something, to get into the kitchen, to stir up something, to try and test and research. It feels like work. It does. And I have my standard little things that I do that never went away, but there are some as far as researching other things. I don't want to do that no more. I don't want to do it to that extent anymore. I will be bringing me in a different context, in a different vibe, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of all of me, but it's going to be on a different spectrum. Yeah, it's got to be. But I just want my beautiful babes to know, which y'all already know, for those who have stuck and stayed during the process, who's jumped over to this channel and to my other channels. I am a working girl, but I like working for myself. So I'm going to be suited and booted some days. We're going to be talking about different things. We're going to be talking about makeup. We're going to be talking about fashion. We're going to be talking about nails. We're going to talk about hair. We're going to be talking about things that encapsulate who I am. And that's a woman in her 60s, life in my 60s. And I'm so excited about this new journey. I'm so excited about, when I turned 60, because I was going through what I was going through, I didn't even appreciate the moment. But turning 60 is a blessing, girl. And I'm still doing my best to say, to defy the age. But I am so thankful. I'm so thankful to be 61 years old. So life in my 60s start now. And I want you to be here. So make sure you tell everybody. They don't have to be 60 to come hang out with me. But Tell everybody you know to come over here, hang out with me, like this video, please talk to me in the comments, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hey, we back in business. We back in business, full speed ahead. And I'm not putting any pressure on myself because I like being up against it, baby. Yeah. All of that too. But anyway, I'm through with this, but you might catch me later on my other channel, Keeping It Cute with Sweet Angel, where we're going to be live. So I'd love to see y'all over there. So if you could, Keeping It Cute with Sweet Angel, the link is down below. Come check me out over there. Go and subscribe as well. And we're on it. We're back on it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Take care, beautiful babes. And you know what you need to do, right? Yeah. Share me with your world. Y'all remember that? I do. Yes. Bye, y'all. I'll see y'all real soon.